everyone, my name is Esha and welcome to my channel. So we are just a few days away from stepping into 2024 and it's the perfect time to wrap up 2023 with some self-reflection. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 insightful prompts that will guide you through this year-end reflection. It's definitely essential to pause and look back on the current year so that we can celebrate our victories, learn from our mistakes and approach the new year with a fresh perspective. I truly believe that engaging in this kind of year-end self-reflection can bring a fresh start to our mindset and our energy level, especially at this time of the year. So I will highly recommend you guys to join me in this exercise. Sit down with your planner and do this exercise with me. I am sharing all these prompts from the Life Aroma Planner 2024, which has this dedicated year-end reflection section, and you can follow along with me. If you are interested in purchasing this planner kit, then you can head over to our website. I will provide all the details in the description box below, and I have a complete dedicated flip through of this particular kit and all the other planner setups like goal setting, vision boards, manifesting your dream life. All the planner setup videos will be linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and binge watch and get some planner inspiration. Now let's get started with our year-end reflection, and the first prompt is: what are the major highlights of the year? So take a moment, sit down calmly and reflect back on your 2023 and jot down any significant events or any special moment from your life that you absolutely want to remember from this year. It could be anything major in your life or even a small yet meaningful experience from your life that you really want to cherish for the entire life and don't want to forget with the passing time. It's definitely not possible practically to remember each and every day of the year, all the mini moments of your life, but what you can do is you can scroll through your phone galleries, because we generally love to click photos a lot, and I am damn sure that your phone galleries is going to help you to find those memories. Or if you are a person who loves to maintain a daily journal, then you can go through your present journal from 2023 and look back at all the mini or major memories of your life, and make sure to note down your major highlights from 2023 in your year-end reflection section. By doing so, you will be able to preserve them in your planner, which will allow you to revisit and cherish them whenever you feel like reviving those special moments. So let me just share with you my top 5 highlights from the year 2023. So the most significant and the most important highlight of 2023 for me is to become a new mom to my little princess. This feeling is truly priceless, and I know I will never forget this incredible experience of giving birth and holding my baby in my arms for the very first time. I am so grateful to have a healthy baby, and she has become a source of positive energy for me. So being a mom for the first time is definitely a major highlight of my life from 2023, and I definitely want to cherish it forever in my life. Moving on to my next highlight, which is also something very close to my heart, as I have launched my own planner brand and created the Life Aroma Planner 2024 from scratch, which is definitely a dream come true for me. I have definitely manifested this, and I'm so proud of all the hard work and dedication that I have put during my pregnancy phase. Me and my partner, we both worked hard to make this dream into a reality. We pushed ourselves beyond our comfort zones, so it was definitely a roller coaster ride for us, but the joy of seeing our dream project well received by my community is immensely rewarding, and I feel so grateful. So I call 2023 as the foundation of my brand, and definitely this is something that I really want to cherish for the rest of my life wherever it takes me. The next highlight that I am really grateful for is to experience a healthy pregnancy journey. I'm just filled with so much gratitude while I was self-reflecting, because I didn't have to face any major issues during my pregnancy, and I enjoyed my time at home. I cherished each and every memories from my pregnancy phase, from feeling the kicks of my baby bump to experiencing new feelings in each trimester. We also did a pregnancy photo shoot which came out so beautifully. It was definitely in my bucket list. I also created my baby bump progression grid, which is also very cute, and I really want to cherish this and look back to these pictures after a few years. So being at home, I got a lot of time to rest and reflect back on my passion and my creativity. So it was overall a very fruitful year for me. This year also gave me an opportunity to learn new things and try something new. The most important being figuring out how to start an online business from scratch. I still can't believe sometimes that I actually did it and launched my own brand. But you know what? It's really exciting when you see see that you learned something and you can implement it in your real life, it's just so much fun and exciting. Also this year I really made a conscious choice to take care of my health as I was pregnant. I took care of myself physically in terms of hydration, having healthy diet, and I tried to build a system of living healthy. Building self-discipline is something that I really want to focus in 2024, and yeah, I am just super happy with how 2023 went for me. So these are my top 5 highlights that are very special and close to me, and I would love to preserve them in my planner as a memory so that whenever I flip through these pages, I will be reminded of the good times I had in 2023. The next prompt is what life lessons you have learned this year. Reflecting on this year, consider the valuable lessons that you have learned from this particular year. Identify those insights or any major turning point in your life that has a lasting impact on you that you really want to carry forward with you throughout your life. These are some of the realizations that will definitely help you to grow as a person in your future. Personally, for me, this year taught me that staying positive makes a huge difference. I started my own business while being pregnant, and it worked because I didn't see it as a reason to give up on my dreams. Instead, I used the opportunity to focus more on my passion at home, which was a bit difficult to manage with a 9-to-5 job. So dealing with problems and challenges this year, I realized that stressing out just makes the things more worse. But when I stay positive and tackle issues with a good attitude, they become more easier to handle. It's been a tough but rewarding year, which showed me that keeping things positive not only helps me get through challenges but also turn them into chances for success and growth. So having a positive attitude in any kind of circumstances really matters, and I have definitely experienced it this year, and I really want to carry it forward and implement it practically every time in my life in my near future. So definitely write down your major life lesson from 2023 and definitely come back here and read it whenever you feel distracted about it. The next prompt is what are the challenges you have faced this year? Write down about all the challenges and difficulties that you have encountered in this particular year so that you can consider making an improvement plan ready for the next year. As much as you must acknowledge the joyful moments of your life, you must also be aware of the difficult situations you went through. This self-analysis will contribute towards a better understanding of a particular situation and your experiences, and it will guide you to make better decisions in your life in near future. I have personally experienced a lack of access to manpower when it comes to guiding me through the process of starting my own business, from learning the basics of designing to finding some reliable vendors for printing, building a website, and formulating a marketing plan, and not to forget packing almost 500 plus orders individually single-handedly. Me and my partner, we were the only person who were in charge of this business at this point. It was definitely a challenging situation for us, and we were really craving for manpower, but we did it because of our passion. But definitely we are open to new opportunities and hoping to delegate our work and build a team so that we can add more values to the brand and grow it in near future. So definitely that was a challenging situation for me, and I really want to make some improvement plan in 2024 about it. Moving on to the next prompt. 2023 was the year of ... So describe your year in just one word or one sentence how 2023 treated you. If someone asks you to remember this year, what will be your quick response? So for me, 2023 was the year of transformation, and coincidentally I chose this as my word for the year 2023 last year when I was setting up my planner. And now when I reflect back, I can see that I have manifested it actually. I am currently wearing 2 badges that I proudly embrace: a new mom and a business owner. I truly see a huge transformation in my mindset and personality as I embrace these changes, and I am loving the person I am becoming. The next prompt is what are you grateful for in this year? So as you wrap up your year in reflection, consider infusing it with a touch of gratitude. This adds a positive tone to your approach for the upcoming year. So regardless of how this year treated you, it's a reminder to focus on the positive aspects and carry them forward into a fresh start. Take a moment to jot down all the things and people you are grateful for at this present moment. Ending your year with gratitude is life-changing. Definitely try that. Try to remember all the good things and jot down those things in your planner. And lastly, conclude the year with a session of journaling. So I have this dedicated section in the Life Aroma planner where I have given space to journal at the year end. So basically what I love to do is to sit down on the 31st December and write down my thoughts at that moment, and I love to keep it free flowing. Whatever thoughts and feelings are going on the 31st December, I just write it down. What I have decided this year is to even take a picture on the 31st December with my family and paste it here in the corner and journal about everything that is happening. Even you can write down about the 31st night, how you celebrated your new year, how your last day of the year went. So whatever is the case for you, you can just go ahead and jot it down on the last day of 2023. That will be definitely interesting to see and read after few years from now. So I truly believe that journaling is therapeutic, but more than that, it's also acts as a memory keeping. So definitely end the year with a session of journaling. This free flowing journaling is going to complete your year end self reflection. So definitely try that out. So alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this video was insightful. Comment down below what is that one word that describes 2023 for you. And if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you love this kind of content, and follow us on our Instagram handle for more planner inspiration videos and posts. If you're interested in the Life Aroma planner, definitely go ahead and check out our website. This is the website link. You will be guided with planner setups video every single month in the Life Aroma planner. So definitely it's a win-win situation for us to stay accountable with each other throughout the year in 2024. And I wish you an amazing planning experience in 2024. With that being said, the next video is going to be very interesting, so stay tuned and I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.